What are the key differences in Queens' diverse ethnic foods? Imagine walking through a neighborhood where every block offers a new world of flavors. Queens in New York City is just that place, bursting with different cuisines from around the globe. It's like a giant food map, with each community bringing its own special ingredients, cooking styles, and traditions. The variety is truly staggering. Let's start with the Asian communities. Queens has large Chinese neighborhoods, especially in Flushing and Elmhurst. In Flushing, you can find authentic Shanghainese dishes like soup dumplings and crispy pork. Elmhurst offers Vietnamese pho with fragrant herbs and spicy Thai curries. Tibetan restaurants in Jackson Heights serve momos, which are steamed dumplings filled with potatoes or meat, often shared during family meals. Indian food in Jackson Heights is famous for its rich curries, flavorful spices, and vegetarian options like chana masala. Southeast Asian eateries in Elmhurst serve dishes from Indonesia, Thailand, and Japan, each with unique tastes. Think spicy, sour, or sweet. Moving to Latin American and Caribbean foods, Queens is home to many communities from the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Colombia, Ecuador, and Mexico. Dominican dishes often include rice and beans with stewed pork or chicken, flavored with garlic and herbs. Puerto Rican food features dishes like mofongo, which is mashed plantains mixed with garlic and pork cracklings. Colombian and Ecuadorian cuisines are known for hearty soups, grilled meats, and corn-based snacks. Mexican food is everywhere, with tacos filled with meats, fresh salsas, and moles that have complex chocolate and chili flavors. Queens also has a vibrant Middle Eastern scene. Here, you'll find kebabs, falafel, and hummus made with fresh chickpeas and spices like cumin and sumac. Flatbreads and stuffed grape leaves are common, often served with a side of tabbouleh or baba ganoush. These dishes are often prepared with traditional methods, preserving the authentic flavors of the Middle East. What makes Queens' ethnic food stand out is their authenticity. Many restaurants serve regional dishes, not just Americanized versions. The local markets are stocked with ingredients like fresh herbs, spices, and specialty vegetables, which help keep flavors true to each culture. Because these communities live close together, you often see fusion dishes or cross-cultural influences, like Indian spices on pizza or Tibetan momos next to Thai street food. Food in Queens is more than just sustenance. It's a way to celebrate culture and history. Many dishes are tied to festivals and family traditions, making dining here a shared experience. This diversity supports small businesses and immigrant entrepreneurs, making Queens a true melting pot of flavors. All of this adds up to a food scene that's constantly changing and growing. Whether you're craving spicy Indian curry, savory Latin American stews, or fresh Middle Eastern flatbreads, Queens offers a taste of the world right in the heart of New York City. It's a place where every meal tells a story, and every bite is a new adventure.